Hello friends, I'm Neha and once again I welcome you all to my YouTube channel about technology. In our today's video tutorial, we'll be discussing about booting process in computer. Have you ever heard about this term? This term is related with the starting process of computer. So let us learn more about this in the video ahead. Let's take a look what happens when you switch on your computer. Well, when you switch the power button of CPU, the power is supplied to the motherboard, which actually activates the booting process by distributing the power to all the components of the motherboard. BIOS is one of the component of motherboard which is actually a read-only memory and has post instruction in it, that is power on self-test instruction. Post runs series of test cases to ensure that every component of motherboard is working perfectly. It checks all I/O devices, main memory, hard drives, etc. During this test, if any error is found, the system produces either audible sound or visual message. You might have heard beep sound while your system boots up. These beep are nothing but indication that some of component isn't responding. After testing all the components of motherboard, the booting process moves ahead and loads operating system from hard drive to main memory of your computer. Further, it loads all the device drivers on the main memory that manages working of all the peripheral devices. Next, it turns on system utility programs that are responsible for analyzing, configuring and maintaining your computer, such as antivirus. At last, the booting process checks for user authentication only if you have set up any password for your computer. Now we can classify booting process into two types. First is cold booting. We also refer it as hard booting. It is when you start your computer straight away from pressing the power button of CPU. During cold booting, instructions in BIOS are executed. Next is warm booting. We also refer it as soft booting. It is a kind of booting process that occurs when you restart your computer. For example, you have installed a software and to implement the changes to system, you need to restart your computer. That is when the warm booting occurs. Well, there is also a term associated with the booting process, that is booting devices. Booting devices is any hardware that contain files that are required to boot up a computer. It can be a hard drive, floppy disk, USB, CD-ROM drive, DVD-ROM drive, etc. So this is all about booting process of a computer. If you like this video, please share this with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel about technology. Keep checking the channel for further updates and put your comment and queries in the section below. We'll be back again soon with a new video. Till then, take a good care of yourself.